Today's topic is about dyslipidemia. That means hyperlipidemia. Increase in cholesterol amount in our blood is called as dyslipidemia. So the pharmacotherapy of this dyslipidemia gains a more importance mainly because it attracts. This is the one which produces atherosclerosis and so many cardiovascular complications. So retarding this dyslipidemia or treating this dyslipidemia retards the atherosclerosis and reduces so many cardiovascular complications. So in today's topic, we are going to see about this hypolipidemic drugs. That means the drugs which reduces the lipid level, cholesterol level in our body. So what is this dyslipidemia? This is a term which includes hyperlipidemia and reduced level of HDL cholesterol in our plasma. So this HDL cholesterol is supposed to be good cholesterol, and reduction in this level and excess of triglycerides and other types of cholesterol like LDL, VLDL, that condition is called as hyperlipidemia. So in combined dyslipidemias where both cholesterol level, that means LDL, IDL and VLDL, these types of cholesterol and triglycerides are in elevated form. There are two reasons for this dyslipidemia. One is acute pancreatitis and another one is atherosclerosis. So what is this lipid? This lipoproteins. These lipids are available in our plasma as lipoproteins. So covered with proteins, only this is available in our plasma. This lipoprotein structure in the core, inside this lipoprotein, it has got cholesterol as well as triglycerides. In the outside part of this lipoprotein, it has got phospholipids, proteins as well as cholesterol in the outside part of this thing. Lipids available in plasma only in the form of lipoproteins. And there are so many types of lipoproteins. So chylomicrons, VLDL, very low density lipoproteins, LDL, low density lipoproteins, and then HDL, high density lipoproteins, and lipoproteins, apolipoproteins. That means mediated with a protein called apo. So these are the different types of lipoproteins present in our plasma. So to reduce these effects or to treat these lipoproteins, about the types of these lipoproteins we should be aware of. So these chylomicrons are the largest lipoproteins where the size of this is around 500 to 1000 nanometer, and they are mainly dietary origin and they carry triglycerides. And this very low density lipoprotein, they mainly secreted by our liver, and that is the main pathway for this triglycerides, which from liver to peripheral tissues. And this liver synthesized cholesterol in the form of VLDL. This VLDL, after undergoing so many metabolism by the enzyme lipoprotein lipase, it will be converted into intermediate density lipoproteins as well as low density lipoproteins. This low density lipoprotein, which is called as very dangerous lipoprotein, and this is called as bad cholesterol. This transport cholesterol from liver to the bloodstream. And this high density lipoprotein supposed to be good cholesterol. This is why it is called as good cholesterol, means this HDL removes cholesterol from the peripheral tissues, that means especially in the artery walls. So mainly because of that, this HDL, high density lipoproteins, are called as good cholesterol. And these lipoproteins are present in our plasma and they are bounded with proteins. Depends upon the protein and depends upon this apo character, apo-A or apo-E mediated, they will bind with the arteries or in the skin or in the tendons. So these are the different types of lipoproteins. Chylomicrons, which has got very big structure, which is a dietary origin of triglycerides, and this VLDL secreted by our liver, and this converts into IDL, intermediate density lipoprotein, LDL, low density lipoproteins. This HDL, supposed to be good cholesterol, has got very low size, and mainly it is called as good cholesterol because it removes this cholesterol from our blood vessels to the plasma. So these are the different types of lipoproteins available in our body. So as we have seen, while we have taken dietary fat as well as in the cholesterol, from intestine these chylomicrons are formed from our dietary origin. With the help of enzyme LPL, that is lipoprotein lipase, free fatty acids are converted. These chylomicrons are converted into free fatty acid, and these free fatty acids, it goes to the adipose tissue as well as to the muscles. When this free fatty acid goes to the muscles, it will be converted as energy. when it is goes to the adipose tissue, again it is stored in the form of triglycerides and absorbed by our liver. Remnants, that means the remaining part of the chylomicrons are again reabsorbed by our liver by ApoE mediated. It's a type of protein. With the help of this protein, it is again reabsorbed by our liver. So this is the process, what happens to this chylomicrons. And the VLDL, the next type of protein which is secreted from our liver with the help of LPL, lipoprotein lipase, it converts free fatty acids, goes to adipose tissue, triglycerides, again comes to the liver, goes to the muscles, gets utilized in the form of energy, and the remnants, that is chylomicron remnants, are absorbed by our liver. But this VLDL, the remaining part of this is converted into ideal intermediate density lipoproteins as well as low density lipoproteins. These low density lipoproteins are again absorbed by our liver, and this forms the very bad cholesterol. And this is the process of chylomicrons, VLDL as well as LDL and IDL. The formation of these cholesterol takes place by this way only.